Alright, so today what we got going on is a little piecemeal. So this cabinet was added onto here. The island used to be actually here. As you can see, there's gonna have to be some tile repair. So we got a piece of stone that we're gonna repair. And what we'll do is we'll remove this sink and we'll have to make a seam somewhere here. So that way we don't have the longest seam. You know, it's gonna be two smaller seams. But any way you look at it, this material is absolutely hard to work with. I've done so much of it about 15, 16 years ago because it was so popular. Now it's not there anymore. So we did find some pieces and we'll use to make the repair. I already unhooked all the plumbing. We're gonna remove the sink, we're gonna make the incisions and then cut the next piece. So let's get started. The sink is not letting it go. Alright, so we cut this piece in to the sink area. We'll try to fab it up as best as possible. But as you can see, this has a sharper profile. This has a little bit of a smoother profile. And there's a little tiny difference which you're not gonna really see after we're done. So we're still gonna have to fab this up a little bit. We're just gonna have to roll it a little bit to make it look better. So what we're gonna do right now is glue it, and then we're gonna epoxy these seams, and then we'll see how it's gonna look. Push it in. Push it, push it, push it, push it. Push it. We're gonna polish this one. Alright, we're all finished up with this thing. As you can see, we pieced it in and it looks great. Obviously we had to remove the sink, you saw that, but I say it looked awesome. Like if you see, we have a one little seam over here. It's all wet, but as you can see, we had to seam over here. We had to seam back there, but over there it was kind of busted up. This piece, it has a bunch of spider cracks, so we had to fix it as best as we can on that. But yet it still looks great, and obviously we had to polish this out because the profiles were a tad bit different. Also, we put in this piece. We had to polish that out. That's the piece we were polishing. And we polished this piece out right here. And as you can see, everything looks great. And we had to piece in a tiny little piece right here because it was a wall, right? And as you can see, there's a tiny bit of lines that you could see, but it turned out fantastic. And that's it. If you guys have any questions on this, comment down below and I'll answer as quickly as possible, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.